What's up guys, you're watching the Stitcher, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is WS-117224-7. There may be a problem with the two-step verification settings. So two-step verification settings, I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and I'm just going to show you. Here we are at the screen. So here we go to the settings, and then go to the user and accounts, and here you wait for the security. That's the privacy. It's a PSN account privacy. You just go to security, get back to the security. Here we go, security settings, and then you get here sign in with the passkey. You must deactivate it first, and here is if it's activated, and here is the security question, two-step verification. Here's the deactivation. You just simply activate your two-step verification from the text message or authorized apps, your PS Plus app on your phone. You just set it, you will get the pop-up on your PlayStation app, and you just proved it, and your PSN account will be signed in. So simply, that's how you can fix the two-step verification or set the two-step verification or a passkey on the PlayStation 5. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and catch you later.